All right, y'all, the moment has arrived. And look, we got the money green on today. Trevor T, what's poppin', man? What's poppin'? We got it in, man. Told y'all I was good up with Trevor T, Spain. You back again. Let's go, let's go, let's go. YouTube, what's up? I'm back in another country. Check it out. I have the luggage on deck, drone on deck, and also about to change into the shades. You know I gotta do it like that. Spain, what's up? I'm back. About to link up with Travis T. Got some work to do out here again in Spain. I was here maybe 3 years ago, and then before that, it was another 3 years before that. So this is my third time in Spain. So getting ready to hit the streets and have a little fun and see what's up. And as you can see, Spain right here, guys. Welcome to Spain. Welcome to Spain. And they don't do Uber here in Spain, so they do have an app called My Taxi or something like that, but I just got my hotel to arrange a taxi. I'm gonna go to the main cathedral part here, the city center, and see what's up. But also, apart from that, man, I had a lot of traveling that I did. I was in Newark, New Jersey for a day. Got into Barcelona really quickly, and then still just kind of keeping it moving. So here we go. I think this is possibly my taxi. I don't know. Cathedral?
Al castillo, a la catedral.
Cathedral?
Catedral?
I think so. See.
Castillo.
Cathedral.
Catedral.
Yeah. Catedral. About, ¿cuánto de eso? 10 días? 10?
¿Cuánto vale? ¿Cuánto tiempo?
¿Cuánto?
¿O más?
Dinero.
Era unos 12 euros, 12.
Okay.
12, 13.
Okay, yeah. ¿Todo bien?
Todo bien.
All right, so I'm back at the cathedral here. As you can see, at the very top up there. Back in Spain, Sevilla. And for those of you who don't know, Sevilla was was my first destination traveling internationally about 6 years ago. Came here with Travis T. My first time out of the country, his first time out of the country, and it was a nice experience. I enjoyed it. Learned a lot more Spanish. I can speak a lot more now than I could even back then. Looks like they are building a little bit here. Looks like it. I love seeing those at the top too. It makes it feel like a real deal castle, man. I wonder if I can take my drone up there. I wonder. All right, y'all, the moment has arrived. And look, we got the money green on today. Trevor T, what's poppin', man? What's poppin'? We got it in, man. Told y'all I was good up with Travis T, Spain. We back again. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I remember this, man. The Pharmacia, one of the first scenes from the documentary, had Travis T walk across the street, and that's how we basically started it off. So I have a link to that documentary below. So bringing back a lot of memories, man. Sevilla, my first international location. So we here in the building, man. We're seeing what's up. Alright man, one more thing when you're in Sevilla, man, make sure you're able to change out that money. It's not too far away from the Cathedral, so you know, plan accordingly, change out what you gotta change out, and keep it moving. And that's the stadium where they do a lot of the bullfighting right there that we saw the first time here. España! But I do see this area with the water right over here. I want to come back and get that with the drone. That's going to be a very, very beautiful shot. Beautiful shot. Spain, look at this, Spain. We can get some water, man. I guess this is how you get some water here. All right, not today though, not today. And here we are, man, Sevilla. This is day 3, I think, in Sevilla. Y'all didn't see me the other day. But, you know, still been getting it in, making it happen. Right now, we're about to head to Cadiz. Travis T has a performance out there. Gonna be rocking the crowd, and you know, got my backpack down, so we taking the trip on a trip. So here we go, man. Gonna say goodbye to Sevilla for a second. All right. Now we're at the bus station here on the way to Cadiz. At the bus station here on the way to Cadiz, about to get it in, so road trip is about to commence. It is a 2-hour wait, or 1 hour wait for the bus, so I'll probably get a little reading in or something. So we have now just got up the buses and headed to the club. Go ahead and make our way there. Travis, you ready, man? You ready to rock the mic, rock the show? Got Faye up here. Faye. So this place, this is Rota? What's this place? Rota? Yeah. Move it. Oh, that's nice right there. Soccer going on, the World Cup or whatever, so everybody's pretty much glued to the TVs watching soccer and football. There's a group of people in there just watching, going crazy. It's 9:18 p.m. and look, the sun is still out. It feels like it's like 7 o'clock. But it's really 9 p.m., 9:18 p.m. right now, so it's crazy. Okay, now this is might have to come back to see this again. This is nice, Spain. I see you. This is La Playa here. It's getting dark time, getting dark now. The time is 9:54 p.m. and it's still light out. So it doesn't get dark until about 10 o'clock. 10 p.m. here. But this beach is looking nice, man. Might have to come back to this beach one day. May have to come back to this beach. So I haven't been vlogging that much this trip, guys, but I'll still probably condense this to one video. Alright, so I am finishing up my trip here in Spain, as you can see in the background here. Most of this was mostly just a work trip, so didn't get a chance to hang out too much like that. So I may show a few clips from Travis T, what he did. But other than that, now it's on to my next destination, which is Ethiopia, Africa. My first time going to be hitting the continent of Africa, so really excited about that. And hey, here we go again. Let's go, let's go, let's go. More fun is on the way.